The Solitaire cache spin wheel depends on the app loading its current account and reward information, so a blank, frozen, or endlessly loading wheel can often be fixed by refreshing the app connection first. By the end, you'll know the main steps to try when the spin wheel does not appear, stays on a loading screen, or refuses to open. Start by completely closing Solitaire cache and opening it again. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Solitaire cache away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and remove Solitaire cache before launching it again. Then return to the spin wheel and check whether it loads. If the wheel still does not appear, test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi and reopen the spin wheel. This helps identify whether the problem is related to the connection being used. Next, check for an available Solitaire cache update. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Solitaire cache, and check for an update button. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Solitaire cache, and install an available update. After updating, launch the app again and check the wheel. Android users can also clear the app cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Solitaire cache, select Storage, and use Clear Cache. This removes temporary app files without using the more disruptive Clear Data option. Don't clear app data unless you know your login information and understand what the option will remove. Clearing data is different from clearing the cache and can require you to sign in again. If the spin wheel loads but stays frozen when you try to use it, close the app and reopen it before repeatedly tapping the screen. Repeated taps will not fix a connection or synchronization problem. Also check whether other Solitaire cache features are working. If games load, your account information appears normally, and only the spin wheel is affected, the problem may be limited to that feature. If multiple parts of the app fail at the same time, focus first on the app connection, update, and account status. If none of these steps work, take a screenshot of the spin wheel screen and contact Solitaire cache support. Include what happens when you open the feature and whether restarting, changing networks, or updating the app changed anything. So the practical order is simple: restart Solitaire cache, test another connection, update the app, clear the Android cache if applicable, and contact support if the wheel still will not load. If the spin wheel is working again, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.